fields will sing. The farmer's dream keeps blossoming. Final